Agriculture insurance. It covers various risks, cover things like rainfall, excessive rainfall, drought, hailstorm, frost, floods, landslide, to mention but a few. So if you're a large-scale farmer out there, these things do not invite. You don't know when it will happen. I would advise you to go approach the nearby insurance company to give you insurance policies. Right now, the authority has opened up branches we have regional branches whereby you can move to them and find out from them how you can purchase this agriculture insurance, this being the window, the planting window. We have an office in Mbarara, we have another one in Gulu and Mbale. So whoever is in those districts or nearby, instead of you walking to Kampala, you can move to those places, find where insurance regulatory authority is, or any insurance company. You go to their offices, they'll guide you on how to acquire these products. Maybe let me also talk about poultry. It's also an indemnity product. It is a mortality cover, which means covers these birds against death. It protects them against all deaths, provided they are uncontrollable. Now, there are those vaccinatable diseases which you must vaccinate as a farmer. Now, if you don't do that, then insurance may not cover you. So I don't want to just tell you that they cover everything. There are things which they don't cover, and some of them being vaccinatable diseases. However, if you vaccinate your animal and it dies as a result of vaccination, then insurance company will be able to compensate you in case of that. So for livestock, it is a mortality cover, which means it covers these animals against death. We also have apiculture. This insurance is for bees. Now, if you have your farm of bees, you can also insure them. For it, it is an index cover. They monitor the amount of sunshine, or we know very well that bees would be doing well during a certain season. Then there's also named perils. It's one of the products which we offer in the market. Named peril being what it means, it's named. You as a farmer, you go to the insurance company and tell them, I don't want to cover my garden against all these risks. What I want is this one. I've been in this industry and I know this is what worries me most. So insurance company will be able to give you cover for a named peril. For example, sugarcane farmer. A sugarcane farmer, why would they buy excessive cover for excessive rainfall? It doesn't affect them in any way. Their biggest worry is fire. So you find that as a sugarcane farmer, you go to insurance company and you request to be covered for a particular named peril, being fire. The same applies to forest. Those in forestry, they can also buy the same products whereby you know these are the things which gives me sleepless nights, and insurance company will be able to provide you with that. Yeah, so I think I've answered those are basically the major products which are offered in the market. However, if there is anything you'd like to be covered, as I said, you're free to walk to the insurance company, and they'll be able to offer you the product you want. And just maybe for clarity, agriculture insurance in Uganda, it's a national scheme operating under Uganda National Agriculture Insurance Scheme, being administered by Agro Consortium, which is a coalition of insurance companies selling or offering agriculture insurance.